Hey, what's up YouTube? Here I'm taking a quick look at the Festool TI 15 impact driver. It comes in the T-lock sustainer. Inside we have the impact driver, we have a charger, we have two batteries, 14.4 volt, 3 amp hour lithium ion. We also have the adapter, Centrotech chuck, keyless chuck and right angle chuck. Having a look at the impact driver, short and stubby, easy tech inside. In the back we have battery indicator, and it's also here you can set the speed. It goes from 0 to 2600 RPMs. In the bottom on the battery we have the belt hook, goes from left to right. Very simple. If you turn this knob you can pick the belt hook off. In the front we have LED lighting, forward and reverse. The battery is slide pack, standard Festool. If you want a really stubby machine, you just take the bit and place it into the machine. One thing I noticed is that it won't lock the bit down. It's not magnetic or have any other locking mechanism. The Centrotech chuck fits right on there. Take the impact bit holder, place it in, and in this mode the impact is on. It delivers about 100 Newton meters. If you don't want any impact, you put the adapter on. This removes the impact and you can drive small screws and more fragile things. On here the bit fits. You can also take the Centrotech chuck and use it with a bit holder, drills or whatever you like, as long as it's Centrotech. Also the adapter is needed if you're going to use the right angle chuck. Or the eccentric chuck, or any other fast fix chucks. The keyless chuck fits right on there. With this chuck on, the impact is off. You don't have to use the adapter for that. One thing about the keyless chuck is when you're going to tighten whatever you put in there, you have to pull the collar back and turn. You can hear it ratchet down. And the same thing when you're going to loosen it up, back and turn. One thing about the bit holder that comes with this, to the right is the impact bit holder and to the left a standard Centrotech bit holder. You can see it's got thicker walls to sustain the power from an impact driver. That's a quick look at the Festool TI 15 impact driver. I am going to do another video where I'm going to test it a little bit, driving screws, drilling holes and stuff like that. Until then, thank you for watching and take care.